thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today's video is all about some new virgin hair that I have from a company that I've heard a lot about but I've never tried. So if you want to check out this first impressions show and tell video, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is what I received the hair in. I do want to show you guys a full unboxing of this hair, so stay tuned for that.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. I got to keep it together.
Okay, so I find that the combs are way too far back, so I am going to add an elastic band to this wig.
keep it together. Ooh, I got to keep it together. Keep it together. Keep it together.
Body baby oh, his body baby oh, yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah.
Alright you guys, so this is the style that I ended up coming up with. I really like this wig, you guys. This wig is really pretty and it's super easy to work with. I did bleach the hair. I think I'll show you a clip of me bleaching the hair now, or maybe I showed it to you before, I don't know. Either way, I did bleach the hair, and the hair, I ended up bleaching it twice, and I think it came out really pretty. It's still really soft. It's shedding a little bit, but nothing too ridiculous that's like alarming. I do love this style. I did see this style online. Another girl had it, but she did have her bang very layered and very chopped up, but I really didn't want to chop this hair up. I really wanted to leave the bangs nice and long, so this wig I just left it long. I didn't cut it at all. The hair curls really well. It's so soft and so bouncy. This is just my initial unboxing and show and tell. I will be doing another video talking about how this hair is holding up. So definitely click subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I do upload the full review of this wig. I'll come back to you guys and let you know how it's doing. But for right now, I'm really liking it, and yeah, stay tuned for the slow-mos, guys. Thanks for watching.
The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything.